Do you want to get this old age filter and create funny looking videos of yourself or your family members? Then you came to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this old age filter trend on TikTok in just a few steps. So the very first step is to make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your iPhone or Android device. You want to open your App Store or the Google Play Store and check if TikTok is updated. After that, you want to open TikTok and then click on this little magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, we simply need to search for aged. So type aged in the search bar and you'll get a bunch of videos in the search results with this specific filter applied. Open any of the videos that has this effect. And as you can see, this video has the aged filter applied on it. On the bottom portion of the screen is the normal video with a young person, and on the top is the trending effect, and it shows us how someone is going to look like when they get old. It's a pretty cool one, and all you have to do in order to get it is to click on this little aged button right here. If the video doesn't have that effect, then open another video from the search results and you should find that effects button. Click on this button right here and it will open the effect section. And then tap on this use this effect button right here. This will open your TikTok camera with the effect applied, and all you have to do is to record the video and you'll see the effect applied in real time. It's pretty cool, so have fun with this and I'll see you in the next video.